Everybody, Jim King out here in Olathe, Kansas. Another 5-pier job. This here is a little room addition on this house that was put on here a long time ago. Footing is settled. 5 of our piers are going to raise the footing back to its correct level elevation. Stay with me. We just got here. I'd say by tomorrow or the next day we'll be totally done with this job. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915, or you can go to my website kingpiers.com. Job after job after job, we raise the footing back to its correct level elevation. Every job. They've never run across anything too heavy that we couldn't lift. If our King Pier 2s will not work, our King Pier 1s will. So, depends on a lot about the soil. About 1 out of 1,000 jobs, our pier will not raise a footing. So we come back with the King Pier 1, which is digging out the bad soil, pouring in some concrete, using that as our platform. That is our King Pier 1. So don't have no problem with these houses. This doesn't weigh anything. So we'll raise this with the King Pier 2 with ease. For all your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915, kingpiers.com. Follow us on YouTube. Give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you.